Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. Today's video is going to be a review, try, first impression. I'm going to be talking about the new Maybelline Express Brow 2-in-1 pencil. This is a new launch from them. I saw it online and I was like, I gotta try it. It promises like full brows, so that's definitely up my alley. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely keep on watching. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing, hit that like button. It helps me out a lot. So onward with the video. So this is new. I saw it on their website. And if many of you who are watching right now are Maybelline like lovers, you're gonna see this and you're gonna be like, that looks oddly familiar. Apparently a couple of years ago they had a similar looking product and it was called the Brow Satin something. This is basically a 2-in-1 product. There is a pencil part of it that you use to fill in your brows, and then on the other end of the pencil is one of those like things that you push in and it's like got the powder in it. That's what it is. Now, I personally love eyebrows. Like to do my eyebrows, I fill them in and I usually use powder. I feel like that is the most natural looking brow. Like if you really want to fake a nice full brow, powder needs to be involved. If you just do it with a pencil, it doesn't look as natural. So I have the shade Deep Brown. I saw a couple of the shades. They had, I think they had 6 shades, and they had from blonde to like deep brown. They had a light blonde, a blonde, and then they had a light brown, I think, a medium brown, and a deep brown, and something else. And the browns were nice because some of them did have a red undertone. I didn't really go for the red undertone. That's why I went with the deep brown. So, oh, okay. So this is one of those like kind of thick ones. Like it's got a teardrop shape. I don't know if you could see that. And then on the other end, that's what it's called. It's a spring-loaded kind of pigment. But now that I'm looking at it, it looks very dark. We're gonna see if this works. All right, I guess let's just get into it, right? All right, here we have the Maybelline Express Brow. Sorry, it did not focus. This is in the shade, I think it's deep brown. I say it in the video. I'm drawing a blank right now. So this is what it looks like. So it's got this teardrop shape and it's on an angle. And this is the color. Sorry, I come out of focus for whatever reason. So that color is really nice. The formula is not too stiff and it's not too soft. And then this back part is the spring-loaded powder. It's just slightly deeper than the pencil, but very nice. All right, let me just scooch in a little bit close so you guys could see what's going on. I'm going to I was looking for a spoolie and I didn't have one nearby, so I'm going to use one from another eyebrow pencil. Now, I love a spoolie. I think a spoolie is important when you're doing eyebrows because when you kind of move everything, it blends, it moves the hair a little bit better. So right off the bat, I'm looking at this and the only thing that it's missing is a spoolie. But that could be what the powder does. This is me giving you my 2 cents that you didn't ask for. So I'm just going to take the spoolie and I'm going to comb my brows up a little bit just to kind of see what we're working with. I don't have super full brows, but my eyebrows used to be very thin. Like if you go back to a couple of videos before, around the summertime, my eyebrows were very thin. I stopped tweezing them, I let them grow out, so now I can kind of appreciate the fuller brow and achieve it. So if this is going to help me achieve it as well, that would be great. All right, onward. So I know not everybody likes applicators like this where it's like a little bit thick. I don't mind it. It's got a nice angle to it, and then you have like that tip there. But we're gonna see. Let's just go into it. So I'm gonna take it and I want to kind of get it on an angle like this, and I'm gonna start filling it in. Now I don't know how deep this is, so I'm gonna start somewhere in the middle and see if it's deep, if it like blends out nice. So I'm not putting too much pressure and I'm already seeing pigment. So that's a good sign. You definitely don't need to put too much pressure when using this because it's pigmented for sure. And it's like soft. Like now that I'm seeing I've kind of like applied it to my brows. You can see very closely. You see how it's like, it's not melting, but you can see that the texture is a little bit softer. It's not super soft, but basically what I'm saying is it's not a dry, hard wax that you have to keep going in there. It actually melts into the skin pretty good. That's what I was trying to say. So I like the pencil color so far. It is a little bit deep for me right now. Maybe I should have gone with the brown before it, but we'll see. It does apply really nice. It's not too waxy either from what I'm seeing. It's definitely not too waxy because it's not looking shiny or anything. Now I do appreciate this cut because I can just take the whole thing and like you're seeing me kind of go like that with a light brusher, and it's filling in my eyebrows really good. Which I never thought I would say because I love a micro pencil a lot. So that's one eyebrow filled in with the pencil side. I really like that. And now in person, I mean, it goes with my hair. It's a little bit darker, but I'm not mad at it. Okay. So let me use the powdery side. So this you use to kind of fill in the brows. We're going to see how it looks. And it's got a nice little point. It's like a nice dome shape, which is good because it will give you some precision too. And let's see. It's not depositing a crazy amount of color. I'm going in with a light hand. That looks really good. And I'm just gonna go up here, kind of fluff up the front of my brow. That looks really good. I like that a lot. Okay, this is good. I like it a lot. The powder doesn't come out very strong. Sometimes with products like this, like you go and you dip it out and it's like you go like that and it's like a ton of color. You're not getting that at all. Let me even myself out on the other side. I will speed through that so that you're not bored watching me fill in my eyebrows. Okay, like I said, I'm just stopping this for a second. I really like the pencil end on its own, like the way it filled in the brows and the way it kind of cuts the time in half because it's so wide or whatever. Like I'm okay with this. I think the brow is definitely the powder is definitely an extra bonus, but I just wanted to say that. All right, I'm gonna go back. All right, so it claims to have like, well, let me read you the things. I didn't read it before, or maybe I did. I don't remember. It says naturally fuller brows. I agree with that 100%. It was very easy to use. The tip is, it's not stiff, it's not hard. Because sometimes you get the wrong brow pencil and you're sitting there and you're almost like scratching your eye, like the formula is too dry. I think it's perfect. It's not overly waxy or creamy, but it's not overly dry. It's like right in the middle, which is great. And I think the powder is really nice. I love the shape of this applicator. It seriously gives you control because you could either kind of put it on its side like this and go up and fill it in, or you can use that tip and kind of with a light hand like here and kind of fill in that little gap. Same thing here. And it just does your eyebrows quick. I like it. So this one I got on Amazon for $6.99. I believe on Walmart it's about $8 or $8 and change. You can get it wherever you want. I will link it down below in my Amazon store because I definitely think this is something worth trying out. I really like it. And I was actually looking for a new brow pencil because I ran out of my favorite one, which is the Speedy Skinny Brow. But this is nice because you can get your eyebrows on pretty quick. So I'm very impressed with this. Highly recommended. Try it out. Let me know what you think. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll catch you in my next one.